Hi guys, in today's video, I'll discuss the differences between Flodesk and Mailchimp. So make sure to watch till the end to know the final verdict on which is better. So let's start with the differences. The main difference between them is how one customizes emails. Flodesk is simple in terms of automating emails. It has an easy-to-use design which even email marketing beginners can learn quickly and start working. However, Mailchimp requires CSS and HTML programming language skills to customize email. Therefore, Flodesk offers a friendly introduction to email marketing suitable for beginners. Pricing: Flodesk starts with $38 a month and would be $35 when billed annually. It also has a customization option, and the price would vary according to the subscribers you have. Mailchimp offers 4 pricing options: free, essentials, standard, and premium. You can use Mailchimp for free for $0 a month based on 1,000 emails and offers only pre-built email templates. Essentials cost $6 a month when billed annually based on 500 contacts and includes A/B testing. Standard costs $10 a month billed annually based on 500 contacts and includes campaign manager features. For premium, it costs $175 a month billed annually based on 10,000 contacts and comes with a dedicated, personalized onboarding. The prices are also subject to change. Therefore, Flodesk provides value for money with unlimited emails and checkouts for small to medium-sized businesses. A/B testing: Flodesk lacks the A/B testing feature to determine the best email marketing campaign approach. However, Mailchimp offers robust analytics features that support A/B testing on email marketing campaign strategies. Therefore, Mailchimp is a more robust email marketing solution that offers proactive, data-driven decision-making. Do they have any similarities? Yes, both Flodesk and Mailchimp provide users with email templates. Flodesk gives users unlimited, visually appealing form and function-rich templates. Mailchimp also offers users templates that focus more on the form than function. To sum it up, which is better, Flodesk or Mailchimp? I like Flodesk more because it offers visually appealing email templates and unlimited email marketing. I also like Mailchimp for its robust analytics, but it's too technical and suits only large-scale businesses. I choose Flodesk as the clear winner because it has more visually appealing designs, considering that email competes with other competitive messaging applications for attention. So that's it for this comparison. If you find value in this video, then give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.